Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Strava to track your workouts. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing any other sport, Strava makes it easy to record your activities and share your progress with friends. Let's get started. First, open your Strava application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so all your activity data gets saved properly. Once the app is open, you'll see several options at the bottom of your screen. Look for the one labeled Record and tap on it. This is where you'll start tracking any workout or activity you're about to do. Now you'll see a list of different sports and activities you can track. Strava supports everything from running and cycling to swimming and hiking. For this example, let's say you want to track a run. Simply tap on Run to select it as your activity type. This helps Strava provide you with the most accurate stats and feedback for that specific sport. Next, if you already have a route planned out or want to follow a specific path, you can tap on Add Route. This feature is especially useful if you're training for a race or want to stick to a familiar course. However, if you're just heading out for a casual run, you can skip this step entirely. Now look towards the bottom of the screen and you'll see an option that says Share Live Location. Tap on it and make sure to turn it on. This feature allows friends or family to see where you are in real time, which is great for safety, especially if you're running alone or in unfamiliar areas. Another helpful feature you can enable is track laps. This option automatically records each lap or mile you complete, giving you detailed insights into your pacing and performance throughout your run. Just toggle it on if you want that extra layer of data. If you use any external sensors like a heart rate monitor or a cadence tracker, you can also add them at this stage. Tap on Add Sensor and follow the prompts to connect your device. This step is optional, but it can provide even more detailed metrics if you're serious about tracking your fitness. Once you've configured all your settings, you're ready to start. Look for the play icon on the screen and tap it to begin recording your activity. Strava will now track your distance, pace, elevation, and time as you run. Just keep your phone with you and the app will handle the rest. When you're finished with your run, simply tap the pause button to stop the recording temporarily, then tap Finish to complete and save your activity. Strava will process your workout and show you a detailed summary, including your route, stats, and any personal records you may have set. And that's it, you've successfully used Strava to track your workout. Now you can review your performance, share it with friends, or compare it to previous runs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.